Hey, welcome back to the series. Opening Hooke Verse is what we did last time. It's a little preview. Alright, this is what we put together in the last video. Today we're going to be setting up not the gym head, but Hooke Verse, so that we can listen to it. But first, let's unpack it once again. Little reminder, this is true 3D audio. They're earbuds and microphone. Let's open this thing. If you want to hear me read this letter to you, I did so in the last video when we set up the gym head. A note right now, you are listening to audio recorded with an iPhone SX Max, whatever, in stereo. In my voiceover, I'm recording on Apple Earbuds with a hack. I'm using a lavaliere mic pop filter on it. We won't be using any of the cords today. We're just going to use Bluetooth with the iPhone. I went over everything in the kit in my last video. Watch that one. Okay. So to use the Hooke Verse, you will need to download the Hooke Audio app. We went through all of this in my last video. Here's your compatibility once again. iPhone, Android, laptop, DSLR, GoPro, and here's how we're going to set up. Download, pair, open, create awesome content, and your hashtags if you want to share. Let's do it. Oh, it's this way. Let's go. Okay, so for this recipe, we'll need 1 case of Hooke Audio, Hooke Verse, and we won't need these. We will need this recipe card, which tells us the anatomy, and most importantly, the color LED indicator key code. So, powering on, pairing, and powering off. This is what we're going to attempt. Audio playback. We won't be calling anyone. And here's how to reset. Off we go. Now, let's clean up our warning card, our gym head instructions when we set that up last time. Set all of our condiments aside. Set the stage. Bring out the star of our play. Close his little home. And now let's put the Hooke Verse on the gym head. Binaural cardboard ears, like any normal person would do. As you can see here, this logo is not just a logo, but also the button. It's an LED light. This is a plug hole. It's for plugging. There's also a little reset. Now, the best way to put on the Hooke Verse is to not tangle the cord. Oops. As you can tell, I'm a trained professional, but you should try this at home. Here's a closer look. It stays just fine, but helps if you put the little ear tips through the little holes. This will keep it from falling off. Now, onto the app. Once you've opened the app, you just follow the instructions, and you're going to have your Bluetooth turned on your phone. Again, I'm using the iPhone. And you're going to hold this little button down until it flashes a solid red. The blue flashing means disconnected from the Bluetooth. I'm going to show you what the instructions have to say about this. Here, wear some glasses. This will help. There you go. Alright, rapid red, pairing mode, that's what we want. Blinking blue is disconnected, solid blue is connected. So I just connected it for the app, and here we go. This is the test. Shh. Okay, I give it an A on its test and an E for effort as well. You can save it to my sessions as you see there. You can also have the Powered by Hooke audio removed, and here I'm just saving it to my camera roll. And that is it. Here it's in my camera roll, and we rollin'. Alright, enjoy. I will be using this in my videos, so stay tuned. Subscribe.